Looking for a free alternative to 11labs that sounds good? You're going to love this. In today's video, I'll take you through TTSMaker.com, a powerful and free text-to-speech tool that supports multiple languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and more. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's start by choosing a language. TTSMaker supports over 30 languages. Go to the drop-down menu, click a language, and pick the one you want. Next, choose a voice. Each language has male and female voices, and some even show accents by country. Some voices include country labels, like US or UK English. You can hear the voice by clicking the Example tab.
TTSMaker is a text-to-speech tool, a professional AI voice generator dedicated to delivering high-quality voice synthesis services.
Others even allow you to choose an emotion, such as friendly, calm, or angry, to bring more life to your narration.
TTSMaker is a professional voice generator that uses artificial intelligence technology.
This is another example.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
By clicking on the More Settings button, you can adjust more emotion parameters. However, if you want to add emotion to the voice, upgrade to Pro. Each generation has a character limit. I recommend that you use the voices with 3,000 characters per conversion. This way, you can maximize the tool's efficiency and generate longer, more natural-sounding voiceovers without having to split your script into smaller parts. There are a lot of voices that you can try until you find your best. Now let's try 3 real examples to hear how TTSMaker performs in different languages. This is the example in English.
This is a test using TTSMaker, a free alternative to 11labs. The voice quality is impressive.
As you can hear, it sounds very natural for a free tool. Let's try another voice. This time, we will use Miles's voice.
This is a test using TTSMaker, a free alternative to 11labs. The voice quality is impressive.
Good tone of voice. We are looking for a woman's voice, for example, Chloe from the United States.
This is a test using TTSMaker, a free alternative to 11labs. The voice quality is impressive.
This is an excellent voice tone, perfect for a promotional channel for a physical product for women. Once you have the voice you like, you can download the audio for your projects. Now we will select the French language. We will use this voice.
Ceci est un test avec TTSMaker, une alternative gratuite à elevenlabs. La voix est très réaliste.
It handles pronunciation and flow really well, even in French. Let's test how the female voice sounds in French.
Ceci est un test avec TTSMaker, une alternative gratuite à elevenlabs. La voix est très réaliste.
Now we will check the voice in Spanish. For this example, we use the voice of Diego from Mexico.
Esto es una prueba con TTSMaker, una alternativa gratuita a elevenlabs. La calidad de la voz es excelente.
As you can see, the voice is awesome. Now we will use Nicole's voice from Spain.
Esto es una prueba con TTSMaker, una alternativa gratuita a elevenlabs. La calidad de la voz es excelente.
Adjust the speed and volume with these sliders below the input.
This is a test using TTSMaker, a free alternative to 11labs. The voice quality is impressive.
You can also add pauses to make your voiceover sound more human. To do this, click on the Insert Pause button and add 1 second after each sentence.
This tool has been around for a while, but it's still one of the most flexible AI platforms out there. With Deep Dream Generator, you can achieve a Ghibli-like effect by uploading your photo and selecting fantasy filters. The artistic results can be dreamlike and abstract.
Need to find a file you generated earlier? Click the History tab. You can replay or download any recent audio without reprocessing it. Once your audio is generated, you'll see its duration below the player. But keep in mind you only have 30 minutes to download it before it's permanently deleted. TTSMaker puts new requests in a queue when your free conversions are used up. You'll see a message like, "Added to queue." Please wait. It may take a few seconds, but it still works, and it's still free.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech platform that uses advanced AI to generate realistic voices.
Okay, before you decide if TTSMaker is right for you, let's take a quick look at its main pros and cons, so you know exactly what to expect. These are the pros. Totally free. No login needed. Supports 30+ languages. Multiple voices. Downloadable in MP3 or WAV. And these are the cons of the tool. Limited customization. Some voices can sound robotic in long texts. TTSMaker is one of the best free alternatives to ElevenLabs, especially if you work in multiple languages or need quick, simple voiceovers. Give it a try at TTSMaker.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more free AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.